Let's comply.
5 Things a startup should do to attract global investors. Is your startup seeking funds from global investors? Startups should be focused on the below key points and have a clear plan to attract any investor and particularly the global investors. First, business model. You should be very clear on your business model and how the unit economics work. Second, scalability. The venture and the underlying service offering have to be scalable. As the venture grows, it is going to change a lot of aspects of the business and people management, etc. These impacts of growth should be clearly thought through and the step changes should be well defined. Third, competitor landscape. Be aware of who the competitors are, even if the competitor is using a different business model but approaching the same opportunity and a market segment, he is still a competitor. Fourth, compliance. This will be quite important for the global investors. Startups must be very vigilant with compliance on various fronts: taxation and structure of the company, board and company secretary compliances, banking and FDI compliances, various employment and benefit. 50. Valuation and structure. You must become familiar with various structures of debt and equity. Why are you raising this amount and how are you going to use the proceeds? What is your break-even position and time horizon are some of the questions you need to have an answer for. Let's Comply is committed to help entrepreneurs and business owners to start, manage and grow their business by simplifying everything related to legal, finance and tax. For more info, visit us at www.letscomply.com or contact us here.